So when you create a part and you want to make the accuracy a little bit better, so here you see that I just did some basic shapes on that. You can use in model the CAD Correct. So again, in the Pro version, CAD Correct will help you to refit surfaces. So either complete model or just here the surface. That surface I want to uh, make it better. So I will ask the software to refit that face, and it will refit it as best as possible on the cloud. So again, I did it on one face. I can edit the function. Again, it's parametric function, and I can tell the software, okay, refit that one and that one at the same time. So of course, I need to be able to do that, and need to have points in front, and of course the software will calculate that and try to refit that. The more surfaces you get, the more time it will take to refit all the surfaces. If you open a CAD, neutral CAD, I just a step, usually it's better step, and open the cloud, you could refit, but you have a limit on that. If it's not going to be possible to take a big CAD and to have a big deformation on the parts.